guys, so this is pretty much fairly simple. I'll leave the link in the description. I suggest going with Namecheap. I mean, I've used GoDaddy for domains, but I like Namecheap now because not only is it cheaper, but it is they also give you the privacy feature for free right now. As of making this video, the privacy feature is free, which means when you order a domain, your name, real name, address, all that good stuff has to be public, and everybody gets to see it, and they can contact you and send stuff to your house. Well, with Namecheap, they actually give you that privacy for free when you buy a domain. So pretty much this is what it looks like. You don't even have to click on domains. Right here you have this big bar that says domain name. So we're gonna, for example, just pick any domain. I want to pick something big so that we'll make sure everything's available. The new affiliate guy. I mean, you probably won't use that, but just hit search, and then you let this load. And when it loads, it's going to give you all the options available for this domain. Now, domains, like I said, are per year. They're fairly cheap, but you really don't. I mean, everybody normally goes with a .com, but you really don't have to do that. Like here you go. See, so the .com is available here, and it's $8.88 a year. You also have .marketing, .net, .ai. But if you scroll down, obviously .com is the best way to go, but if you guys think that's too much money, you just want to look professional. But if you scroll down, you could come down to .xyz, which is pretty cool, and there's only $1 a year. So you can definitely, it's $1 your first year, and then it's $10.98 after that. But at least for the first year, you only get to pay $1, and that's pretty cheap. So let's just example, you would just click that, and add that to your cart, view item in your cart. There it is, $1.18. So the ICANN fee, which is also why you have to add your real information, like your real name and all that stuff. Here's your checkout. 1 year, $1 is the special. Here it is, what I was talking about, domain privacy, free forever. That's very important. There's websites, other domain places actually charge you for that. You have to pay extra. And I really don't like that because I don't want my information shown. So people could contact me. I mean, if you have a business address, it's not a problem. But for some people, they're doing this personally, and they're still running a sole proprietorship, and they have their own home address where their family lives, and you don't want that in the public eye. So that's pretty much it, guys. You just hit confirm order. It's gonna make you create an account. You purchase your domain. See here, it'll take you to this screen to log in or create an account. So you would just create your account, and that is it. Your domain will be active, and in future videos I'll show you how to connect your domain to everything that we're gonna do going forward. But like I said, the link is in the description to get started. Just click the link, pick your domain. You can buy a .com if you want, or just go with the XYZ and pay $1 for your first year. I think that would be the best bet for you guys. Try to get started with the minimal cost if you want. But if you got a little bit of money to spend and you want the actual branding of the .com, that is one of the most popular extensions there is, the most popular extension there is, then that's the way you should go. So that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.